Welcome back to Hitch'd in Haulin. Today we're going to review the Michelin floor mats. These floor mats were provided to us by Trend Auto, and they asked us to do a review on these mats. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling.
All right guys, first thing we're going to do is unbox these brand new Michelin branded floor mats. Let's get her open and see what's inside. Comes with a bag. Comes in a bag. Okay. Okay, first thing we got is this nice bag that they all come in, Michelin branded. And let's see what we got here. Very nicely packed. All right, this one must be the back one. I got the front ones and the back ones. I'm gonna lay that out. So I got two fronts and the back. I'm gonna let these sit out and let the sun hit them for a while so they straighten out a little bit. I'll be back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This video is sponsored by Trend Auto, and we're gonna be installing their Michelin floor mats. And we're gonna start off today with the driver's side. And I've got their right here, and we're just gonna fit it in here and see how she fits right off the bat. Now this one here has the two pins on it, so we're just gonna pop it in. Nice. And the other one, come on. Sometimes these are hard, but, and that's number two. So how's the fit and finish? I think the fit is very, very, very good. There's no popping up anywhere. Everything looks good. Let's try the passenger side. Okay, now we're over on the passenger side, and I wanted to point this out. On the back of these mats is an anti-stud carpet gripper. This helps the carpet stay in place. So we're going to install this one in the passenger side. And we're just going to go there and get it up as far as we can. Right about there. That looks like it's it. And again, it looks like another perfect fit. All right, now we're on the back. And again, we have the anti-studs here for the clawing the carpet. And this one is a full mat. And we're just gonna put this one in here. Get it up as far as we can. Wow, look at that. Once again, another perfect fit. The back fits perfectly. Now I do have the under storage on mine, so this one's straight going from the passenger to the driver's side, but everything else is fitting perfectly. Now I'm sure that there's a little bit of a gap here, but I'm sure once it heats up, and I just took these out of the box. So right out of the box, they fit great. Once it gets warm in here, these things will settle in and be perfect, but just moving these around like this, these aren't moving with that, with the anti-grip stuff on the bottom. We're gonna do a spill test now. Now where we're at, we're in Michigan right now. It's August, so we don't have any snow that we can test, but I can do a review on that once it becomes winter time and we get snow. I can take another video to see how these things are actually holding up in the snow. But for right now, I got a cup of water here, and it's a full cup of water. And I'm just gonna dump it right over here, and we're gonna see how it trends and how it holds. That's a lot of water. That's a lot of water. And as you can see, it's all going right to here. and there's enough ledge there to keep it from rolling out. Almost done with the water, so let's just keep going and see how far we can go. I'm gonna put some up here and see where that goes. Look at that, it goes right down into that track. Oh, whole glass is gone. Still holding all that water. And it's still channeling through. Still channeling through. Still coming over here to this big old puddle. And you can see that that puddle is it's pretty thick. I mean, it's right to the top. That was a whole glass of water. You're not going to get this much water when, you know, it's wintertime or when it's raining out. You're not going to get that much water. But as you can see, I've got a lot of water in there. Whole glass worth. I would say that it holds it and channels it very, very well. All right, guys, let's do the same thing to the back panels here, the back floor mats. Again, another full cup of water, and we're just going to dump it in here. Channeling away. Let me go into the middle and see what happens. So look at this thing, just channel right away. All coming down here, some of it going down to the passenger side or the driver's side. I'm going to throw more over here. Love it. Love it. This right here is awesome because now it's channeling it, going to the driver's side, coming over to the passenger side. Again, guys, a whole cup of water, it's gone. A cup of water's gone. And it held it right into here. Don't have anything over on the other side because not much went that way, but most of it came over here. But as you can see, it's holding it.
The 360 channel.
Yeah, we got the what they call the 360 channeling here. The channel goes all the way around, so it's pretty deep over here. It's not so deep here, but really deep over here. Again, I think these things fit perfectly in here. Once these warm up a little bit more, I just took them out of the box, threw them in here. So more of it's channeling. That's cool. I like that. I don't know if you can see that one right there, but it's starting to channel in. These are not going to channel in because the water is still way up there. But as you can see, if I put the water up, it all channels down to this area right here. Now my truck was obviously tilted a little bit. It'd go the other way. But when it goes the other way, it's going to come through this channel, that channel, and it's either going to go this way or it's going to go that way if my truck was tilted the opposite way. Frontward, backward, no matter what, it's going to channel and it's going to land right where it needs to go. I'm going to pick up on the end of this, make all this water go this way, and then watch how this thing channels through these things. So here's that whole cup of water. So it's just sitting here. Of course, I got this thing up in the air, so nothing's going to happen. But as soon as I drop her back down, look at how she just channels right in here. Slowly comes down. I'm going to fill up this area right here with the water. It's like a racetrack. Who's going to win? Which lane is going to win the race here? That's about it. That's about all it is. This channel is now full. There's not much left to come down through the channels, but I would say perfect, 100%. So let me give you my final thoughts on these Michelin floor mats. Do I like them? Well, yeah, I really like them compared to my old ones. These things are really good. The 360-degree channel held all that water in there. You saw me dump a whole glass of water on the passenger side and in the back. It held it fine. Those channels were just perfectly positioned. Everything was great on the channels. And the anti-studs on the back of those things held it right to the floor. These things aren't going to move. Now I took these things right out of the box and put them right in the truck, and they were folded, but they performed pretty good. Now I'm going to say that within the next day or two, these things are going to warm up and they're going to just lay perfectly flat. Even though right now they lay perfectly flat, I think they're going to even mold even better. So would I recommend these things? Yes, I would definitely recommend these things. You can find a link for these down in the description. They're going to want to know what year truck you have, what kind of truck you have, whether or not you have a under storage in the back of your truck on the Fords. Not sure about the Chevys, but I know on the Fords, it's going to ask you, do you have the under the seat storage in the back? Do you have bucket seats, and so on and so on. You'll see that when you go to the website, but highly recommend these. No problems. I want to thank again Trent Auto for supplying these to us, and I told him I was going to give an honest review, good or bad. This is a good one. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time.